take my kids. You right with for real, you not my twins. Hey, go build it up for the body, you not my bill. Yeah, drinking hits, money with perk, that's my shit. I got money coming in different ways, I'm popping shit. Everything I imagined in my mind, I done accomplished it. I was serving chickens in the mill. How you want the double C, but no Chanel? On this perk, it got me stupid, I'm a snail. In the club, this bitch right on me, I'm a rail. And my brother kid locked inside the gym, I got his bail. Bitch, we too legit, everything I said is real as hell. If they can't even tell the real from the fake, I wish them well. Yeah, this song already was turned, but here's a bell. Everything that I know is rich as hell. I just put it 8, I feel like yeah. We not bustery, we not carrying the hat, no semi-M's. I cook that little shit up, green eggs and him. Most importantly, my friend pull up with, yeah, bam. Yeah, put up now, we finna get busy. Yeah, pull up now, we finna get busy. Yeah, pull up now, finna get busy. Got some rhymes on, inside these tits.